Hi friends, welcome to my lecture. What is it about? Human brain. Okay, what am I doing? I am thinking, right? What is this? Function of brain? If you are guessing like this, it's very right. Thinking is function of brain. What you think is what it does. Like this. This is a voluntary action, but who controls this? The brain. Brain sends message to this muscle saying that I am saying to move. This is what the brain does. Another function that brain does is okay, thinking is over. So another function that brain does is smelling. Oh, smelling is from nose, right? You will be raising your hand. Yes, smelling is from nose, but where does the smell go? Who detects it? It's the brain. The brain detects the smell. The receptors in our nose detects the smell, sends the smell to brain. Sorry, not detecting. It's just converts the smell to electrical impulse and send to brain, and then brain detects it. Okay, so tea is preparing math. When you say like that tea is preparing math, it is what you are getting the smell of tea. And how do you know that it's tea? That is the memory. When you have first smelled the tea and you know that its name is tea, it's something which we drink, then our brain immediately sends the message to us that it is the smell of tea. This is what the brain does. Okay, now let us understand the parts of brain. The brain consists of three parts: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Hindbrain is also called as the small brain. Okay, the forebrain. First, we'll go at forebrain. Before forebrain, let's will know that where is brain located. Brain located is here, inside this. It's covered with a skull or cranium. The skull contains meanings: the dura mater, the pia mater, and arachnoid matter. Between arachnoid matter and pia matter, there is cerebrospinal fluid. Cerebrospinal fluid is what? It is the shock absorbent. When we jump, it absorbs the shock so that brain is safe. And then in it, after that, there comes cerebrum. Cerebrum is the highly scrambled part which is fixed inside the brain. It consists of sulci, it is the up curve, and gyri, it is the down curve. As you can see in the figure, sulci and gyri. How the number of sulci and gyris in the brain, according to some scientists, tells your intelligence level. It's just a fact. Now, next part is okay. Let's just understand the function of cerebrum. Cerebrum controls maximum voluntary actions like moving your hand or moving your face, something like that. Second is what? Midbrain. Midbrain controls some involuntary actions, and it is also an important part of the brain. Okay, in 10th level, in 10th class syllabus, it is not too much given on midbrain, but now we'll go to the hindbrain as it is important. So hindbrain is also the downward or lower part of the brain, situated right downward, and from there exits the spinal cord. This is the extension of brain. Okay, the hindbrain consists of three parts. That is pons, it is below midbrain, medulla below pons, and cerebrum at the next side of the midbrain. Pons controls breathing rate. It is a function of pons, and it does so many other actions. But the main is breathing rate. Controls the breathing rate. Second is medulla. Medulla controls the heartbeat, the involuntary actions like heartbeat and digestive systems. These are controlled by medulla. Medulla is named is familiar with you. You have learned about medulla in previous class, I think so. I don't know. Okay, medulla. The very little damage to medulla can cause to sudden death. It's a very important part of the brain, and it is also known as small brain. Third is, yes, the important cerebellum. Cerebellum. Cerebellum is familiar name. Okay, it like very lovely name. Cerebellum. Okay, it is actually a lovely name and very important too. It controls, it maintains the posture and or balance of body. Like I am now standing, I am not falling down. This is why, because of the cerebellum. It maintains the balance when we walk when we run, when we even jump. It is the important part of brain. Then the extension of brain, that is from downward spinal cord, where the nerves are bundled and the message from other parts of the body through spinal cord sends to brain. That's it about brain from 10th class. Thank you.